relative density. So, as we completed the fundamental physical quantities like length, mass, time, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity, and electric current, along with those, we completed the derived physical quantities in our first topic. So, here the topic is about density. Okay, so density can be defined as the term density can be defined as the mass per unit volume, mass per unit volume, or the mass occupied, the mass occupied by a body in a given volume, in a given volume. The mass occupied by a body in a given volume, or simply we can define that mass per unit volume, mass per unit volume. Okay, what is mass? What is volume? Mass is nothing but the amount of particles present in your body. Suppose it is a piece of chalk, it occupies some mass. How can you say that it occupies some mass? Because it is made up of particles, right? Mass is nothing but the amount of particles present in a body, right? So that density is nothing but mass of a body occupied in a given volume. In a given volume. So density is equal to mass by volume. So coming to the units, SI units for this is for mass kg, volume meter cube, kg by meter cube, because it is for solids, and coming to the CGS, mass CS unit is gram, volume CS unit is centimeter, gram by centimeter. Here, so the mass can be measured by using a physical balance. We have spring balance, physical balance, beam balance, etc. Of course, the mass can be measured by accurately by using physical balance, right? And also that, as you know that volume can be measured. Volume may be either exist for solids as well as for liquids. For liquids we will use in liters, and for volumes we will use in meter cube and centimeter. Okay, so let's check a small problem based upon this mass and density. Okay, so important density formula is mass by volume, SI unit is kg by meter cube, CS unit is gram by centimeter cube. Let's convert of the system. Convert kg to kg by meter cube to gram by centimeter cube, SI to CGS. Let's convert. Important factor kg. What is the value of K? Kg by meter cube is equal to conversion. K 10 power 3 gram by meter cube. Convert into centimeter cube. Meter into meter into meter. So 1 meter is equal to 10 power 2 centimeter. So that it repeats 3 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, 10 power 6 centimeter. 10 power 6 centimeter. That is equal to 10 power 3 into 10 power plus 6. If it sends to numerator, it becomes 10 power minus 6. So 10 power minus 6, write the unit, gram by centimeter. When the basis are then positively added, 10 power 3 minus 6. Sorry, it is meter cube. 10 power 6 centimeter cube. Okay. So 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 6. So the value the base of the power to be added. 10 power 3 minus 6 minus 3 gram by centimeter. So kg by meter cube is equal to 10 power minus 3 gram by centimeter cube. So 10 power minus 3 is nothing but 1 by 10 power 3. 1 by 10 power 3. So that is equal to 1 by 10 power 3 gram by centimeter. So 1 kg by meter cube is equal to 1 by 10 power 3 gram by centimeter cube. So reciprocal, 1 gram by centimeter cube is equal to 1 kg is equal to 10 power 3. 1 kg is equal to 10 power 3 gram. Then 1 gram is equal to 10 power minus 3 kg. The same way, 1 meter cube is equal to 10 power 6 centimeter cube. But 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter cube. Reverse value. Okay. So based upon this, 1 gram by centimeter cube. I done this directly because of already we done so many conversions. So that's why I done this directly. How the values came means by this. So 1 gram by centimeter cube is equal to 10 power minus 3 kg by 10 power minus 6 meter cube. So 10 power minus 6 is in denominator. If it adds to the numerator, that becomes 10 power plus 6. Again, when the bases are same, positively added, minus 3 plus 6 meter cube. Clear? So let's take a problem based upon this. Okay. Body of mass 750 grams, density is 0.25 kg by meter cube. We have to find the volume. So given mass 750 grams, density 0.25 kg by meter cube. So it is gram, it is kg by meter cube. CGS and SI. We should convert CGS to SI or SI to CGS to make the same system of units. So here I am converting mass CGS to SI. So 1 kg is equal to 10 power 3 grams. So 1 gram is equal to reverse 10 power minus 3 kg. So instead of gram I am writing 10 power minus 3 kg from here. So 750 into 10 power minus 3 kg. By the density formula mass by volume, we need volume. Volume is equal to mass by density. So volume is equal to mass is 750 into 10 power minus 3, 750 into 10 power minus 3, and density is 0.25 kg by meter cube. 0.25 kg by meter cube. So 750 I am writing as 75 into 10 into 10 power minus 3. So here point after 2 digits are there, so I multiplied and divided with 10, 100 square. So 10 square. That is 100, 100. 100 by 100. So why? Because after point there are 2 digits are there. So to cancel these 2 digits, we should multiply with 100. 3 digits are there, then we multiply and divided with 1000. If 1 digit is there, multiply and divided with 10. That's enough. So 0.25 into 10 square. So when the base of the power we added, 2 plus nothing is there. 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 minus 3 0. So 10 power 0 into 75. 10 power 0 into 75. 0.25 into 100, that is nothing but 25. 25 1 is 25. Okay. 3 into 10 power 0. 10 power 0 value is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. So volume is equal to 3 meter. Volume is equal to 3 meter. Right? In this way we can do this. Right? So what is the given data? mass is equal to power kg, volume is equal to 2 meter cube. So we have to find the density. Density is equal to mass by volume. Density is equal to mass by volume. So here we have to check. I already said that we have to check the given data, whether the given data is in same system of units or not. So kg as a system, meter cube as a system. So both are in as a system, so that we can do that problem directly. So mass power kg by volume 2 meter cube. So 1 to 2 6. So what is the density? 6 kg by meter cube. 6 kg by meter cube. In this way we can do this. So relative density is nothing but relative. So that name itself has the term relative. This is relative to the density. So if we compare two substances, so there must be a relation between the densities between the two objects. Okay, there must be a relation between the two objects. So if we compare two objects and their densities, so we will get that relative density. So relative density is nothing but the ratio of densities of substances, to the density of water. Relative density simply we call it as a RD. RD is nothing but ratio of density of substance by density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. So it is nothing but a relative density. Relative density is nothing but density of substance by density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. And its relative density, it is also known as specific gravity. Remember, this density and it is also density, kg by meter cube. So both will get cancelled, and relative density has no units. Okay, and also to measure this relative density, we use the specific gravity bottle. Specific gravity bottle is the device used to measure the relative density. Specific gravity bottle is used to measure the relative density. Okay, so this relative density is nothing but density of substance by density of water, and also that mass of substance by mass of water. So mass and mass get cancelled. So it also has no units from that side also. Okay, and also that you can say it as sometimes mass and sometimes volume by volume. Okay, so this relative density has no units, and density of water, important. Density of water is 1 gram by centimeter cube in CJ system and 1000 kg by meter cube in SA system. Important. So density of water we always take as a, if it is CJ we should take as 1, if it is SA we should take as 1000. The value is always constant. The density of water value is always constant. Okay, for suppose we should do a problem. The density of glass is, I am arranging this. The density of glass is given. Density of glass density of glass is equal to 2.5 into 10 power 3, 2.5 into 10 power 3 kg by meter cube, and find out relative density. Relative density is equal to how much? So relative density formula, relative density is equal to density of substance by density of water. Density of substance by density of water. So density of substance is 2.5 into 10 power 3 kg by meter cube. And density of water, he didn't give any density of water, but we know that density of water in assay system, we have to take it in assay system because the given density of glass is in assay system. So we should take the density of water also in assay system, that is 10 power 3 kg by meter cube. So kg by meter cube gets cancelled, 10 power 3, 10 power 3 gets cancelled. So relative density is 2.5, it has no units. It has no units, so the answer is 2.5. The answer is 2.5. Right? He gave that relative density value. He gave that relative density. So relative density of copper, RD of copper. Relative density of copper is equal to 8.9. 8.9. Find the density of copper. DC means density of copper. You have to find the density of copper. So, relative density formula, relative density is to density of substance by density of water. Here substance means copper, dC by d water, d copper by density of water. We need to find density of copper. So density of copper is equal to, so it is in denominator, if you can this side get multiplied with RD. So relative density into density of water. Okay, relative density is 8.9. 8.9. Then which value we should take? 1 or 1000? Because density of water is 1 gram by centimeter cube in CGS and 10 power 3 kg by meter cube in SI. Which value we should take? That depends upon, that's our wish, and depending upon the options. If it is in multi-current, options, blank wise. So here we should take the density of water whether 1 or 10 power 3. So if we should take 1 gram by centimeter cube, and this value is 8.9 gram by centimeter cube. That is CS value. If we take 8.9 into 10 power 3, that becomes SI system. So 8.9 into 10 power 3 kg by meter cube. So if we can simplify that value becomes 18900 kg by meter. If you take 1, that becomes CGS. If you take 10 power 3, that becomes SI. Okay.